Eli Paglingayan, thank you. Let's finish this side. And this side. Okay. Letter L, 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 L. Here. There's a letter L here. And here. Okay. I need letter V. Letter V as in victory, number 14. Where is the number 14? Okay, letter V. Here, another V. Here. Here. Kita ba sa camera? Ay, hindi na makita sa camera. Oh no! Shit! Ding dong! Tres Moms TV, thank you so much! Pag dumikit sa kamay ko, talagang sasama lahat tong ano na to, nasa ibabaw na to. Pag nahigit siya. Okay. Letter V as in victory. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Here. Hello sis at Honey Cute from Bear Villanueva. Ayan. Thank you Bear Villanueva. Thank you so much. Bro, thank you. Letter N. I need to finish this side. The boy shoes. I need to finish this. It's very colorful. Letter N. Number 4. Ilan ba yung letter N? Labas na nga ako ng marami. Letter N. And here. And then here. Whew. I need W. BG lang po, Ate Dal, nakamute po ako. Sige, thank you so much, boss. W's, number 7. Where is my number 7? Oh my God! It's already 1 hour and 28 minutes. I forgot the how long did I made this one. So let's try this letter W. It's a little